Welcome. Today we are tackling a subject surrounded by hype and misinformation, the true state of passive income in 2026. If you're looking for ways to generate income that doesn't require constant hour-for-hour labor, this video is for you. We'll cut through the noise and deliver the facts. In 2026, passive income is income derived from an asset or system that requires minimal ongoing maintenance after the initial creation or investment phase. It's about building assets, not trading time. The explosion of digital commerce and automation technologies means the definition of quote, passive is shifting. It's no longer just about real estate or book royalties. Technology is key. Let's start by addressing the biggest lies you hear about passive income. The biggest myth is that passive income means no work. The reality is, it requires significant upfront effort or substantial capital to set up the system that later runs passively. Whether it's your time, your capital, or developing niche knowledge, there is always a foundational investment needed before the cash flow begins. Now let's look at the most promising passive income streams that are scalable and relevant in today's market. Digital assets like software as a service, automated educational content, or digital product templates offer high margins and are highly scalable once built. Traditional investment vehicles like high-yield dividend stocks and real estate investment trusts continue to be reliable, requiring financial capital but minimal management. Automated e-commerce, especially dropshipping models driven by modern software, can minimize the time spent on inventory and fulfillment, pushing them closer to a passive status. Automation is the secret sauce for making passive income truly passive in 2026. AI tools can handle customer service, content generation, and data analysis, significantly reducing the active management time required for many digital businesses. By leveraging these technologies, you can dramatically scale your income streams without needing to hire extensive teams or dedicate all your time. It's important to be aware of the obstacles on the path to passive wealth. As more people seek passive income, competition in digital product spaces, niche blogs, and even short-term rental markets is increasing. Differentiation is crucial. Governments are paying closer attention to digital income streams and assets. Stay informed on regulatory changes and tax implications to avoid costly surprises. To summarize the truth about passive income in 2026, passive income is not free money. It requires significant active effort to create the asset and periodic maintenance to keep it generating revenue, particularly in the ever-changing digital landscape. The best time to start building your passive income stream was yesterday. The second best time is now. Identify your skills, leverage automation, and start building your financial future today.